this I just come down from the mountains in this little village over here, and I actually got some. I wanted some water, but they didn't have one, so I got some Sprite. But that's okay. I could get some Sprite and yeah, some sugar. So that's okay. And here you see you can buy some gasoline, petrol if you want. So this is a street down in Flores. So now it's, I don't know the time, but yeah, it's time to go to Todo village, which I think is probably around the sort of the same houses, I think. But it's on the way to Ruteng, which I will sleep tonight. I hope the road won't be as bad as it was yesterday. And it's that way. And up. It's not a beach, but it's like, well, it's kind of a beach, but it's a stone beach with rocks beach. Okay, so I saw monkeys crossing the road, but it was the same monkeys. It was the same monkeys I've seen in Ubud and Bali, I think. So nothing more special than that, if you can say that about monkeys. Yeah, so I made a stop here, and I bought some water from these guys. And I got 3 ones. Oh, they have beer here as well, but I'm not really into that. So now I've been going like straight, but now I'm actually gonna take this road here down to Todo, and it's, I don't know where it is, but it's somewhere here. Can you see? Okay. I mean, this is jumpy as hell. Jumpy? Is that a word? Jumpy? It's like da 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 da, and then it goes flat, and then da 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 da. So it's all the time different. Here they have, yeah, this is rice farming. Anywho, bye bye. Hi. Hi. Huh? Money. Have a nice day. That could happen, and it could be real, but I don't know if it's so much in Indonesia like that. Some other places, yeah. This it was a joke, kind of. All right, so I'm here. I arrived at Todo, Campaign Todo. I went too far at one point, and then I had to come back, and then I was like, my map was wrong. So I got the help from a local here, so it was very, very, very nice, and he took me to this place. And as you can see, it's the sort of same house as in LiQWYD. So I don't know for how long I will be here, but yeah, it started to rain as well. It's 2:15, and yeah, let's explore. And I have to sort of say that I'm here first, register or something, maybe pay. So they were built in the 1100s, and and you see on top of that one in the middle, so that is where the king is living, or it's his house. They had some destruction made, but the government is helping them to restore the buildings. And also see the small cannons here, they're for protection. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Yeah. Very. The middle part, is that for ceremonies?
Yeah.
So here lies the king, and over there is the ancestors who are buried.
And inside this house personal, still living family inside.
Oh yeah?
And then in the past, for one house traditional, that's 4 until 5 families inside.
Oh.
But now just one family, and other family they make modern home and move to the other location.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's do they do it for the people? Do they also sell it, or
Yeah, for sell it,
For
yeah.
sell it, yeah.
Yeah, just go and put photo to me.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. But it's underneath the house because it's colder there. Yeah.
Too much under house they do it.
They do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's amazing. Hi. Very beautiful.
Sangat cantik dia bilang.
Sama-sama. They were on the way to the ritual in the big house. Oh yeah, here they have things for sale, I think.
Mother still find the animals on the here.
Oh yeah.
So our headmaster down here.
Yeah. Oh, so it's so big. Yeah. Oh, it's very big. Yeah.
Inside, and this is kitchen.
Yeah.
So in the past, here 9 families living here. Just one kitchen. This one kitchen. So they are very crowded for make cooking here.
Oh yeah. Before it was the king, and then 9 families when after the king.
Also, yeah.
Wow, that's. And what do they have up here?
This is just full.
Oh, it's the wood
like, or steel red, like food and tapioca or corn also we put here before make dry. Yeah.
And that thing there.
Yeah, that's drums. Yeah, that's drums and the material for make the local dance here. We call it chachi. Yeah, that's material for chachi dance here.
Oh.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there's a lot of bamboo here, and on the outside the roof, that's from palm trees. Yeah. And this is
room.
Oh.
And in the past, the 9 family, 9 rooms. But the room not make from the like that one, not make from the food.
Oh.
So in the past they make room with the bamboo.
Oh yeah.
And for the roof, we can get from the sugar palm.
Oh, yeah. Oh yeah, the sugar palm.
Yeah, sugar palm.
Yeah. Oh, and here you can have.
And this is door. This is door for going to the toilet and to bathroom. Also.
Ah, okay. So that is outside the bathroom, yeah.
Yeah. And when inside in front of that meeting, a lot of people sit there.
Yeah.
And then our mother is here. They come in visit door, come to cooking here.
Oh, yeah. So it's like, short way.
Yeah, short way.
Short way. Yeah. Oh, and the pillars here.
Yeah.
They're carved.
Yeah.
So someone in the village did this.
Yeah. Just this is house. We have food like this. Their house, just one food.
So this is special for the king, maybe?
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
When the people in government come here,
Yeah.
so important government.
Oh yeah, I'm taking a lot of pictures here now. So I was inside, and now we're heading back. So we're taking this road here. So we're walking away. We're going there, but I saw this open here. Here you have more of these cruise bottles that they nowadays use for arak. And here we have a little bath. Do you see it? It's so nice. Oh, and there's water in it. So you can just go inside and have a bath. And here we have the toilet with water inside, so you can have a small toilet. Beautiful. Well, as you can see, it's very foggy. Well, I'm sort of in the middle of the clouds. But now it's sort of straightforward, I think, and I hope the road will be quite good. And we're going to hopefully get to Spiderweb, Ricefield first, and then to Ruteng. But it's like, it's foggy. So I came to the big highway, or the big road, much earlier than I thought. So this is the big road that goes across Flores. I came from this one here. But it's been quite a good road now for a while, or from Todo village. So this way is to Labumbayo, and that way to Ruteng. So now I filled up the gas. This is the gas station here, and I have a hotel now, so I don't need to worry about that when I get there. It's 4:30, so let's go. So I'm very close now to the Spiderweb, but I think I'm gonna make it. This is like a sort of suburb, I think. And here they, here you can, I think it's like a market, so you can buy stuff. Here you have the Spiderweb rice fields, and it started when the farmers wanted to have equal shares of land. And so this started in the middle. It wasn't supposed to be like a spider web, but then when the families grew, they sort of made bigger squares out from the middle, because if you are more people, you need more land, so you can share. So it sort of developed like that, and then it became like a spider web. Cool. We made it before the sun sets. It's 5:30. So Selamat datang, Ruteng. Now I'm just gonna find my hotel, and that'll be fun. Oh, look at me! Look, it started to rain. So this is my poncho from actually from Indonesia. This is a completely. This looks so big. Oh my God. Okay. Okay, I thought that I booked a hotel in the middle of the city, but I'm going out in the countryside here. Hopefully it is the right hotel, or we'll see. My goodness. Okay, there is a hotel that's called Ep14-Todo, but it doesn't look at all as in the picture. So we'll see if this is the right one. Maybe on the other side. I hope they... I need some food. I hope they... Oh yeah, so maybe it is. Okay, a woman came and I showed her the hotel and she said, yeah, this is it, and it looks like that. So I think I'm at the right place. And I was like, today I was like, oh, I would love to have like a pizza or burger, but not in chance in hell I'm gonna get that. I don't know if I'm gonna get any food. We'll see about that. I'm going in and see what happens. So oh, this is steep. I could get something to eat here. I don't know.
Hot water.
Huh?
You will wait 30 minutes.
Oh, for hot water, 30 minutes, okay. So it actually is quite very nice. Look at that high mountain there, but it's totally covered. And this is the restaurant. So I will go here soon and have something to eat, drink. And yeah, I think also this is the room there. It's sort of the suite, you know. But you have to wait 30 minutes to get hot water. Okay. Here we have fried rice and egg, and that's not what I wanted. I wanted something with chicken. They don't have chicken, and she made this even if I didn't order it, but she didn't.